That's what my baby, my youngest one, wrote me. She asked me why we ain't been on YouTube. Before we go any further, let me read her what she wrote. Love you, Dad. You are good on YouTube. Love you, Dad, on your YouTube videos. So, baby want to know where we been at. Hey, R.I.P. to my guy, Kobe Bryant, his daughter, Gigi, and everybody else that's lost in that tragic helicopter accident. Kind of touched home to me. I'm a father. I looked at Kobe and everybody else as father and parents first before athletes and anything else. And he was a role model. And I pride myself of being a proud father of 4 daughters. If you don't know, I got 4 daughters, just like my guy. So I was just all in awe. And my daughter, Evie, she wrote me that letter. Her friends wanted to know what my daughter's my biggest fans. Point blank, period. They want to know why I ain't been on the tube. I had to explain to them. I got a lot going on. I do apologize for not being on the tube all the time. I employ 2 people. I'm a contractor. I stay fairly busy, thank God. As well as like I said, I'm a father figure, man. Maddie in school. Evie in school. Renaya, Mia, they're my 4 daughters' name, and they all in soccer and other events. I'm married. Me and my wife, we go out of town and try to keep our family together, close knit. And I rock with a lot of people, so definitely I'm on IG more than usual. And I apologize to you, YouTube, but your boy is back, so we're gonna start this off right. Retro family, retro gang. This your boy, Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks, coming back at you in the shoebox. Look, y'all know the routine by now, right? Y'all go ahead and hit that like button, tell a friend to tell a friend. Look, and go and share this video. That means when I say tell a friend to tell a friend, share this video. And while you at it, if you want to become a part of this movement, go ahead and sub up, subscribe. Keep them notification bells on. 2020 is going to be a lituation. Shout out to the winner on the Retro Pass. If you don't know what the Retro Pass is, go back and check some of my videos out. Miss 501 Brat, she won. Sheesh. I never did a review on these, so let me unbox them real quick. I picked these up from Foot Locker, Kids Foot Locker. She's a size 6.5 youth. She did what she was supposed to do on the Retro Pass. You never know when I'm going to hit y'all over the head with some heat and content. That's why y'all need to keep it locked and loaded. Look, keep it locked and loaded. I got you. No worries. So 501 Brat, I got your information, Miss Lady. Your shoe is on the way. I picked this up because I had to do something on the Flex app. That's another video. Y'all might see me later on with the same outfit, riding, picking up the kids, talking about the Flex app. So y'all don't want to miss that video when I upload it. If y'all don't know about the Flex app, that's a merger. So let me see what we doing today. Oh yeah, we doing an unboxing. It's some SBs. Got them early. Some people might say might not be early. I consider them early because they haven't dropped over here yet. They dropped overseas, and I want to say like UK and Canada. But I'm going to go ahead and not hold you up. My box purple. I've been seeing other boxes. I'm digging a box already. Y'all saying, what's in the box? What's purple in the box? Size 12, retail, $100 plus tax in your neck of the woods. You know what your boy say. Size 12, like I say my size. Let's see. Let's go. Man, these are shadows, man. They call them the J pack, the Jordan pack out of the shadows, kind of paying homage to Jordan, but this is an SB, for the skateboards, man. And, I'm rocking with the SBs. I've been rocking with them. I'm glad the Dunk is back. The SB plus the Dunk is back on the rise. They starting to do numbers now. Now everybody want to be a part of the movement, I guess. So, hey, it is what it is, man. Y'all link in. So I'm going to show y'all the toe box right here. Let me give y'all a good review. Your boy been gone for a while. So you got right here at the toe box, you got that gray. Like I said, that nod to that shadow. Coming right around here like the mud guard, right here at the toe box right here, you got, it's suede, like suede or nubuck. Let me see what else I can tell you about the shoe. Right here on the check, the Nike check as well, you got the suede nubuck feel. And then coming right up here in the blocking, you got leather. It's not some good quality leather, but it's still this leather coming up on the tongue here. Of course, you see that SB Dunk Low Pro. We're gonna go on the inside. Got the, see that? There we go. Make sure everybody see that. So you got that Zoom Air. That's this shoe. The reason I'm going to show you the other shoe, they both the same. But you get extra laces with this pair. You know, your boy got a lace fetish. You know what I say. See what's going on? Where the bag at? You know, at SB, they just, man, gave you like a little zip tie or something, like you go to Marshalls or something. But, hey, this pair didn't come from Marshalls. Shout out to the plug for giving me this pair early. They a GR. They ain't doing no numbers, but I like them. Don't worry. Your boy will wake the dead. What I mean by that, we're going to do it on foot. I promise you that. Show y'all the gray bottom. Got the Nike SB. The rope, you know, you got the laces. Once again, like I say, man, SB been on the rise, man. What y'all think? Leave a comment. I got them for retails, 100. As far as y'all people don't want to resell them, my size 12. I think on the market now on StockX and GOAT, it's going for like 140. I'm keeping the shoe. Not going to sell it. Not going to flip it. These finna go to toe. Trust me, the weather is real bad out here in the A. It's raining today. I'm breaking these in. That's why I got them. These gonna be some beaters. I don't want to beat up my shadow Jordan 1s for real. I'm gonna beat these things up. Believe that. SB paper, of course. I do apologize. Let me just show y'all everything, man. Everything official. Official like this paper tissue. Let's go. There we go. Sheesh. Okay, man. I can show y'all everything right here. See what's going on. Like I said, I've been seeing other boxes being different colors, but I'm digging this purple box. So, let me see. I told you we was going to wait the dead with the on foot. What else we need to talk about? Oh, yeah. My guy, Cove. Cove Master 559. Y'all give my guy a follow right now on YouTube. He got a dope lottery. Actually, it's a giveaway. He doing it his way. It ends tomorrow. Hey, watch who you got to, follow. He's asking to follow a couple of people. Do what you need to do to enter. He's giving away. You know what? I'm going to let y'all know so y'all can head over there right now. Go get Cove Master 559 a follow. Tell him Retro sent you. He got them Yeezys, the Aliens 380. Y'all can watch his videos on YouTube. Pull them up. Find the picture. It'll say at the bottom what he's doing with it. Watch the whole video. Give my man the credit. Watch the whole video, and then at the bottom, he'll tell you what you need to do. And it's a size 11. So if you want a size 11, official, look, Yeezys 380, head over there to Cove Master 559. I'm going to leave the description below. He got everything running. Shout out to my guy out there in Cali, too, man. Retro Mafia in the building. We're going to start linking up with other people and doing giveaways. Hey, I appreciate you, bro. Actually, you won one of our giveaways, and you told me back in the day, like, when you got to a certain amount of subs, he was asking for 500 subs. He was going to do a giveaway. Man, I hear that a lot. I ain't going to say I didn't think he was going to do it, but I hear that a lot. And my guy, double salute. You did what you was going to do. We're going to keep the movement up. I got some more people that y'all need to be following. We're going to make some announcements, and we're going to do some more giveaways. That's not my retro pass. We got a retro pass coming up. Y'all do realize that, right? We got a retro pass coming up in February. It's February now, but I'm doing them once a month. This one's going to be a little bit different. Y'all pay attention. You do know your boy is going home, right? I'm going to see my mama and my brother and them. Your boy is from Chicago. If you don't know, I'm going back to the land for All-Star Weekend. Retro returns home. Retro returns to Chicago. Let's go. Shout out to everybody out there in Chicago. I'm going to see y'all out there in line. Shout out to everybody out there that live in Chicago. My family, my cousins, y'all know the routine, man. We love y'all. Stay strong, double strong, man. We coming. You already know how we coming, man. So look, that's out the way. Told y'all, what we else supposed to be doing, man? I'm kind of excited being back on this tube, talking to y'all. Make sure y'all leave these comments below. Let me know, actually, if y'all want me to start waking the dead more. And what I mean by waking the dead, on foot. Now, let's... Yeah. Let's go. What up, Retro? Yeah, let's go. Let's get it. Stay sleep.
Break the dead retro. No retro, yo, he be the man. Yeah. Cause he get them kicks in advance. Yeah. Stockpile him up straight to the box. Woo. You can't find him, just get at my mans. You see him, just check out the kicks. All the haters, they drown in the drip. If he scuffing me, don't even trip. It's back to the box and switch. Retro, yo, he with the shit. Check out the channel, was full of content. Matty kicks will sit or lit. It don't get no better than this. Retro gang. Yo, they be the fam. Double strong, mighty they stand. 90 lines in the 80, the man. Pull up in the old school. Better act like you know, dude. Cause when he hop out, all they can say is look at the shoes. Give it back to the peeps. That brother paying his dues. Getting blessed by the best. So how could he lose? Drip gang. Retro gang. It's mad drip. Keeping it lit, man. Drip gang, follow the drip. Retro gang, and Matty drip. Keeping it lit, man. Drip gang, follow the drip. Retro gang, and Matty drip. Keeping it lit, man. Drip gang, follow the drip. Retro gang, and Matty drip. Keeping it lit, man.
Hey, y'all know what we say around here, man. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. Look, stop playing with us, man. There's still a whole lot of gang. Retro Mafia. We up next. Let's go.